Creating a Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. 1. Go to Facebook's website or app.
On a smartphone or tablet, download the Facebook app from the App Store or Google Play Store or Android.
2. Sign up. Click on Create New Account or Sign Up.
3. Enter your information. First name and last name. Enter your real name as you'd like it to appear on your profile.
Date of birth. Choose your birth date. Facebook requires users to be at least 13 years old.
Gender, select your gender, male or female.
Mobile number or email address. Provide a valid mobile number or email address. Make sure you can access it.
Password. Create a strong and unique password.
Save your login info. Press Save.
Agree to Facebook's terms and policies. Press Agree button.
Set up your profile. Add a profile picture and fill out your bio and other details.
Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a fully functioning Facebook account.
Everyone, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you.